Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will show the packaging process of a EPS foam semi-automatic bagging machine from another perspective of the machine. We believe that through different angle video demonstrations, you can more intuitively and more comprehensively understand the actual operation process of this PE film bagging packing machine. As shown in the video, the semi-automatic bagging machine has the following advantages. 1. Save labor costs. Compared with traditional manual operations, semi-automatic bagging machines can reduce the dependence on labor. 2. Improve packaging efficiency. The operation of the semi-automatic bagging machine is simple and fast, which can significantly improve packaging speed and production efficiency. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.